Are you facing issues with your Windows 11 OS? Do you want to reset your PC without losing your apps, files, and other settings in your PC? Yes, there is a way to do that with the new Windows 11. And in this video, I'll show you how you can reset or reinstall your Windows OS without losing all these settings. Now I'll show you how you can reset your Windows 11 PC without losing the files. Now for that, just click on the Start menu, and from there just go to the Settings, and from here just go to the System, and here just look for a recovery. In the most of the cases, you have a recovery tool that will reset your PC. The option to reset your PC will be available in the recovery section. But most of these techniques wipe out your personal data and all other installed apps. Now, if you click on the recovery tab, you can see that along with all other options, you have one more option, that is fix problem using Windows Update. You can reinstall your Windows OS without affecting all those areas. Now for that, you can select the option reinstall now. Now it will show that we will repair the components and system files. For that, click on OK. And you can mention that you can restart your system automatically after the installation is complete. Just select that, then click on OK. Now it will start checking for the update. Now it will start downloading the repair version. You can see that it is the repair version that is getting downloaded. Just wait till the download is complete. Now once the download is complete, it started the installation. Just wait for the installation to be completed. Now installation is getting 100%, as you can see it here. Now once the installation is complete, it will ask to restart your system, and once restarted, you can log in as usual with your old password. This is how you can easily reinstall your Windows OS if you are facing any issues with the OS. So hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.